तं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. Myself Monushka from Monterey section. Welcome all to the Krishna Janmashtami celebrations at Malgudi Vidyaniketan. Krishna Janmashtami is a Hindu festival celebrated on Krishna's birthday. Krishna born to protect the world from evils. Krishna born in the prison at midnight. Lord Krishna is eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Krishna is eighth son of Vasudev and Devaki. His brother is Balaram. His best friend is Radha. Krishna Janmashtami also called Gokulashtami. Krishna kills Kamsa. Krishna guides Arjuna. In Mahabharat war film, Krishna Arjuna's talk recorded in Bhagavad Gita. ಧರ್ಮೋ ರಕ್ಷತಿ ರಕ್ಷಿತಃ. ನಾವು ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಧರ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ